How do I reset my ADT alarm system when I can't locate the reset button?
Welcome to our guide on resetting your ADT alarm system without a reset button. This is a common situation for many users, but no worries. We have the solution for you. Understanding your security system is crucial, and we're here to help make that a bit easier.
Why can't I find a reset button?
Many ADT alarm systems do not have a physical reset button. That's because they're designed with keypads or control panels which have menus and functions to reset the system. Don't worry if you can't find a reset button. The process is still simple and straightforward.
How to access the keypad or control panel?
First, locate your system's keypad or control panel. This is typically mounted on a wall in a central area of your home or near the main entrance. Here are the steps to access the control panel. 1. Make sure the system is not armed. 2. Enter your master code. If you're unsure of your code, it's typically the default code you received when the system was installed or a code you've set up.
Resetting your ADT alarm system.
Once you've accessed your control panel, follow these steps to reset the system. 1. Select Security from the main menu. 2. Then choose the Arm, Disarm option. 3. Enter your master code again when prompted. This should reset your system. If your alarm is still sounding after this process, you may need to manually silence it.
How to manually silence your alarm?
If your alarm continues to sound, you can manually silence it. Follow these steps. 1. On the control panel, press the Off or Hash button. 2. Enter your master code. Your alarm should now be silenced and the system reset. Resetting your ADT alarm system without a reset button may seem daunting at first, but once you understand the process, it's actually quite simple. Always remember your master code as it's the key to operating your system. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe and secure.